man.
You shot me in the head from there. I'll give 2 warnings, like go there from so far.
Here, can you come round mine?